All right, guys, this started last night, and I put brand new batteries in it. It started last night around 11:50. My freaking toothbrush keep turning out by itself. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Today, I washed my mouth. It started by itself about 50 minutes ago. So I decided to come back and record this thing. So, too, bruv, if you're going to start, you need to stop. And if there is some ghost in my house that need their teeth cleaned, they need to go see a dentist. This is insane. And I rebuke in the name of Jesus. Guys, I don't know what the heck is going on, but in the name of Jesus, you are not welcome in my home. So you need to leave. You need to leave. Oh, Lord have mercy. I was playing with my dogs, and at the same time, I was getting... Let me turn off the light. I was playing with the dogs, and God, I lost my words. I'm also getting ready to do a cake for an open collaboration. Yeah, I'm getting ready for an open... What the... Oh, Jesus Christ, please help me. Guys, I don't know what the heck is going on. I'm gonna take the batteries out. I'm not playing with this nonsense. You guys saw, I took the batteries out. I am not playing with this nonsense. Batteries. I'm gonna leave. In the name of Jesus, I rebuke whatever's in my house. En el nombre de nuestro Señor Jesucristo, lo que sea que se vaya de mi casa. All right, let's go. Yeah, I'm getting ready to do a cake for a collaboration there's coming up. So, yeah, guys, that was... My anxiety is kicking in. Just anxiety, not fear. I only fear the living. I don't fear the dead. Whatever that is. Do I hear? Okay, I thought I heard my toothbrush again, because I was about to throw it out the window. So this is what I'm making, guys. This is what I'm making. This is going to be for a collaboration, for the monthly dessert collaboration. So I got my eggs, and we're gonna need some things. So guys, I just wanted to show you the stuff that go out in my house sometime. So I'm getting ready to do that cake. So I'll see you in a little bit. Bye bye, guys.